Let's go over how automatic matching works in QuickBooks Online. When you download bank transactions, new ones normally need to be matched manually. But for transactions from QuickBooks Payroll, QuickBooks Payments, and QuickBooks Bill Pay, QuickBooks can match them automatically. This prevents you from recording the same transaction twice. We'll look at how to find automatically matched transactions and how to turn automatic matching on or off. Note that automatic matching may not be available in all accounts yet. To find your automatically matched transactions, go to All Apps, then Accounting, then Bank Transactions. Select the Posted tab. Any transaction that was automatically matched will be labeled as such. Select a transaction to see the details of how it was matched. If anything looks wrong with a match, you can undo it. Select the transaction and select Undo. This sends the transaction back so you can review and match it manually. If you're looking for a match that QuickBooks didn't automatically suggest, select the transaction. Then select Find Other Matches, or switch from Categorize to Match. Find the transaction you want and select Match. Keep in mind that not all transactions can be automatically matched. For example, if your bank doesn't provide a unique ID for QuickBooks Payments transactions, QuickBooks won't be able to match them. In those cases, you'll need to match them manually. Now you're ready to use automatic matching in QuickBooks Online.